Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started the video without wasting your time. So guys, here's error fix app stores not downloading app issue works on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch iOS updated. So guys, how can fix this issue? Simply step by step and follow them. So check your internet connection, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and stable mobile network and try to opening Safari. If does not log issues your internet, fix to your airplane mode on off and switch between Wi-Fi and so guys, first open Safari app and check your internet and stable connection. So search is any now internet fast, but if you're not your internet fast and not stable your internet, so please connect to a stable internet on your phone. Restart your device, press home button and volume up and slide to power off 15 seconds and restarts. Then tap on power off. Now tap on slide off 50 seconds and again open your phone. Now waiting few seconds. Now you can see opens iPhone, enter iPhone passcode. After that, check our storage, go to settings on your phone and then scroll down, tap journal and then scroll down, tap on iPhone storage. So if you have your storage full up, so please delete some items on your phone and back home screen, close the page. Again sign out, sign in Apple ID, go to settings on your phone and then tap on Apple ID and then tap on sign out Apple ID and again sign in your Apple ID on your phone. So guys, update iOS software. So tap on settings and then scroll down, tap journal and tap on software updated. Now check here your software updated. So we are asking updated your phone, so please update iOS. So back home screen, close page, again reset network settings, again tap settings and then tap upon mobile service. Now here is mobile settings, reset, tap on journal and then scroll down and tap on reset and then tap on reset and reset network settings, enter iPhone passcode and reset this and back home screen, close the page and again pause and resume download. Open the app store and find the app, tap on circle icon, pause and tap again to resume and disables VPN and proxy. Go to settings on your phone and then tap on journal and scroll down and then tap on VPN device management. Now if you use a VPN connected, so please remove your VPN on your phone. Back home screen, again open App Store app and try to get any apps download. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.